Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and opening settings. This avoids mid-process lockouts. Once ready, sign into the device with your current Apple ID and make sure Gmail is accessible to receive verification codes. Next, go to Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID controls. You need to be online and have the Gmail inbox open so you can confirm messages or codes immediately when Apple requests them. You now change the Apple ID to your Gmail address by tapping name and phone numbers and choosing Change Apple ID. Enter the Gmail address you want and press Continue. Apple will send a verification code to that Gmail. Make sure to open Gmail and check spam if you don't see it. Once you retrieve the code, enter it promptly. This confirms ownership and links the Gmail as your new Apple ID. If you have two-factor devices, approve any prompts on those devices as well. You finish by signing out of Apple services, then signing back in with the new Gmail Apple ID so iCloud, App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime update correctly. Make sure purchases and iCloud data sync before signing out. Once done, verify services are functioning. If verification fails, retry code delivery and check Gmail filters or spam folders. As a troubleshooting tip, use account recovery only if codes never arrive. It can take time, but
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.